This video introduces how to open the OSG sample program in Android Studio and displays the sample program structure, key source code files, and other major code module functions. In addition, the video also demonstrates how to compile, run, and debug the sample application, helping developers quickly understand and test the integration functions of OSG Connector during the development process. This is the main interface layout of the OSG sample example in Android Studio. This code demonstrates the logic of controlling the connection and disconnection of the OSG connector based on the current state through button clicks. This code demonstrates the connection and disconnection of the OSG connector. This part of the code shows how to monitor the OSG scan result data. After completing the code, we can connect a physical Android device for debugging. All debugging and operation of applications based on the OSG sample or self-developed applications require the OSG Connector core application to be installed in advance. Click Connect OSG. Then use IoT to scan the QR code on the screen to connect. When scanning a barcode, we can see the output of the barcode content and the status change of the IoT button being triggered. Clicking Get Info allows us to obtain the hardware and power information of IoT. This is today's demonstration. Thank you for watching.